Hey, Jonathan here. Let's go ahead and create an urban concept as we are learning 3D printing basics for architectural design from Archicad. Let's do it. Using the file provided, now let's move on to the fourth exercise. Here, we're trying to emulate that we did a master plan that we want to 3D print, so that I can then explain you how to overcome these problems that you will face as an architect later on. So please don't try to 3D print this without me. This is only to make sure that you know how to make an STL, which I won't cover in my 3D printing course. There we go. So the last one, it's called the master plan. For this, we just need a guide of the size. For that, we're also going to start the morph command from the toolbox. Then we click once, and then we enter the value 300. And then 350, enter. And then for the height, we assign it 0. Then we're just basically going to start the morph command again, and we are going to zoom in, orbit a little bit, not too much, and then turn off any kind of marker so we can model properly and quickly. And then we should start just randomly making volumes that may or may not look like a project you might do. Now, the important thing is for it not to be the same, but it to be more or less in the realm of, so that we can then learn something new. Last, we're going to select the whole thing, deselect the frame on the ground, which we do not need. We isolate with F4, and then we go to File, Save As. Select what we want to. Format stereolithography file, also known as STL. And we're going to call it Master Plan. Save. The scale is going to be 1:1 because we have been drawing in millimeters. We click Save, and at the end, it should look like this. Now, remember not to print this without watching my course, because it will make absolutely no sense. And I congratulate you for being able to export an STL file from Archicad. See you in the 3D printing course. Bye.